Hello and welcome. We're going to take you through today how to register for Washington Hills Personal Finance Online. Hopefully you got this first link either through the email that was sent out in mass or on the 2018 flyer that was shared in that email. This is an abbreviated link because the actual original link was way too long. If you go to this link, it takes you to the website Canvas and gives you the ability to sign up for the course. We ask that students use their Washington Hills email to be able to register here, and then they can say that they're a new user. Go ahead and type in your full name. This box, make sure you agree to the terms of use, which you're welcome to read, and then you can enroll for the course. We have had some hiccups with students trying to do this, and it's saying that their email was already in use. That could happen if they've already been in Project Lead the Way or worked with Mr. Bird in the past. They might have already had a Canvas account. No worries, go back to the main page and go to the second option. And our second option, this would be for students that either already have an account and need to fix that, or for students that have already registered the first time and they're coming back to finish the course. You only go to this abbreviated link the first time. All subsequent times you go to the course, you go to this Canvas instructor website. You can go to this website, it offers the ability to enter your email, your school email, and then the password that you had set up when you registered. If you were in that project either way or with Mr. Bird and had some issues, you can just hit forgot password, and that sends you an email and takes care of it. We can log in to your dashboard, like Google Classroom. On this dashboard, you'll see Personal Finance Online. Go ahead and hit that. I'm going to switch my view over to a student view so that you'll see exactly what the kids do. There's a splash page in the beginning just saying what the total overall thing's about. We care about modules. When you come over to modules, you get a list of all the content for each chapter of the course. Content might include a PowerPoint, it might include videos, it might include handouts, and that's all the material they have to be able to learn it. Bottom of each module, there is a quiz. Quizzes are randomized, so they get a little bit different questions every single time you take it. Usually they're around 20 questions. I think one of them's 10. And you need to get an 85 on a quiz to be able to move on. They go through the quiz, they answer the questions, whatever they think their answers are, put some random things in there. They can see where they stand, and then all the way down the bottom, they can submit their quiz. Once they submit the quiz, they can see what kind of grade they got and realize whether or not they move on. If they got a passing grade of an 85 or above, the next unit is then unlocked. And they can do that in modules. If they did not get a passing grade, they're welcome to retake the quiz as many times as they need to be able to unlock that next unit. Right now, this is a demo, and that's all grayed out. I haven't unlocked it yet. Once they go through the course, they go through each of the chapters. I believe there's about 8 of them. They get to the final exam. The final exam is out of 50 points instead of the 20 that the others are. The final exam only gives you one try. Once they are complete with the final exam, they're done the course. If they have a 60 or above total grade points-wise of the course, they pass. And that'll go into Genesis, and that'll get updated, and then they'll be good to go for their high school graduation requirements. If they do not get a 60 or above, once all the dust is settled, then they have not passed the course, and we need to come up with a new plan as to how to proceed. Thanks.